Looking for a tough, reliable folding knife? Smith & Wesson delivers some of the best on the market. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 Smith & Wesson folding knives that combine durability, performance, and ease of use. Let's jump right in. Number 5. The Smith & Wesson M&PSW P1B is a compact and reliable folding knife designed for durability, ease of use, and everyday carry. Measuring 7.1 inches overall with a 2.9-inch 4034 high-carbon stainless steel blade, it offers excellent strength, sharpness, and corrosion resistance. The sleek gray aluminum handle, enhanced with a black rubber inlay, provides a secure and comfortable grip for precise handling. Built for quick deployment, this knife features MAGIC assisted opening, ambidextrous thumb knobs, a flipper actuator, and a sturdy pocket clip for convenient carry. A liner lock and additional safety lock ensure the blade stays firmly in place during use, preventing accidental closure. Designed for versatility, the SWAT-1B also includes a built-in glass breaker, making it a valuable tool in emergency situations. Whether for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, or tactical use, this dependable knife is built to perform when it matters most. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Black Ops SWAT-LOP 3TBL is a high-quality folding knife that combines durability, functionality, and sleek design, making it a reliable tool for everyday carry. Measuring 7.7 inches overall, it features a sharp 3.4-inch black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, offering excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The black and blue aluminum handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring precise control during use. Designed for quick and easy access, the knife is equipped with MAGIC assisted opening, ambidextrous thumb knobs, and a flipper actuator, allowing for effortless one-handed deployment. A secure liner lock and additional safety lock keep the blade firmly in place, preventing accidental closure and ensuring safe operation. With a sturdy pocket clip for convenient carrying, this knife is ideal for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, survival situations, or tactical use. Whether you're opening packages, camping, or handling emergencies, this dependable and well-crafted knife is built to perform when you need it most. Number 3. The Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS is a rugged and reliable folding knife designed for everyday carry, tactical use, and emergency situations. Measuring 8.6 inches overall with a 3.6-inch black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, it offers excellent durability, sharpness, and resistance to wear. The black aluminum handle, enhanced with a rubber inlay, provides a secure and comfortable grip for optimal control. Built for quick and effortless deployment, this knife features MAGIC assisted opening, a flipper actuator, and ambidextrous thumb knobs for smooth one-handed operation. A sturdy liner lock and safety lock ensure that the blade remains securely in place during use, preventing accidental closure. Designed for more than just cutting, the SWMP4LS is equipped with a built-in glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter, making it an essential tool for emergency preparedness. This knife delivers the strength, functionality, and dependability you need. Number 2. The Smith & Wesson Large S.W.A.T SWATLBS is a tough and reliable folding knife built for everyday carry, tactical use, and outdoor adventures. With an overall length of 8.5 inches and a 3.7-inch black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, it delivers durability, sharpness, and excellent resistance to wear and corrosion. The sturdy black aluminum handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for precise control in any situation. Designed for fast and effortless deployment, this knife features MAGIC assisted opening, ambidextrous thumb knobs, a flipper actuator, and a pocket clip for easy carry. A liner lock and safety lock ensure the blade stays securely in place during use, preventing accidental closure. For added versatility, the SWATLBS includes a lanyard hole, allowing for multiple carrying options. Whether for everyday tasks, self-defense, or demanding tactical situations, this dependable knife is built to perform when you need it most. Before getting to the first place, if you've been enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like, hit subscribe, and join us on this incredible journey together. Number 1. The Smith & Wesson First Response S.W.A.T is a versatile and durable folding knife designed for emergency situations and everyday carry. With an overall length of 8.2 inches and a 3.4-inch black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, it offers excellent strength, sharpness, and corrosion resistance. The black nylon fiber handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with MAGIC assisted opening, ambidextrous thumb knobs, and a finger actuator, this knife allows for quick, one-handed deployment. The liner lock and safety lock keep the blade securely in place during use, preventing accidental closure. For added preparedness, the SW.A.T features a built-in glass breaker and a serrated edge, making it an essential tool for first responders and anyone needing a reliable knife for emergencies or outdoor activities. Whether you're cutting through tough materials or breaking glass in a crisis, this knife has you covered. And that wraps up our top 5 Smith & Wesson folding knives. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. See you in the next one.